Alright, make a quick little video of how I ran my little strip. Positive and negative to the side marker light. So positive to the purple, negative to the black. White is going to be to the yellow, which is your brake. Gray to the white on reverse. Blue to the orange on your turn signal. Left the green off because I'm not running the blue light. Then popped off this grommet, put the control module inside here. Then hooked the yellow up to another wire, which I ran. Just peel this back, run it all the way across to the other side. To the turn signal on this side. And all you gotta do is just pop that back in. It's tucked away. Pop that back in. It's tucked away for the most part. This part is going to be dealer's choice because that's how I'm running mine. I don't give a fuck. My suggestion is go get some 3M tape because the tape that comes with it's kind of shitty. So that's pretty much it.